Here you have your sports bra turned inside out. As you see, you have your right side. This is your right side, your main fabric, and this is my lining underneath. Okay, so I'm going to just push my lining out of the way for a moment. Right, you want to sit there and you pin your straps to the outer, to your main fabric. All right, and to the other side, like so. All right, then I'm going to bring my lining fabric back up. That's all right. And then you have your main fabric, and now you want to take your right piece, twist it once clockwise, twist it twice clockwise. Line that up right there and pin it. All right, and then you take your left side, turn it counterclockwise once, twice, and pin it on top like so. All right, and then you can stitch right across. And if you aren't quite sure, just flip it, and it'll show you that your shoulder straps are encased. Like that. So once it's inside, you know you've done it right.